kids, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reading Skin Like Mine. Skin like mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. I wouldn't trade for any other shade. I love my brown skin. Oh, where do I begin? My sister and I are both shades of brown. Me like peanut butter and she a hazelnut spread, both creamy and smooth. If I had to choose, it'd be hard for me because both are so yummy. Skin like mine is really neat, sorta like a brownie treat. Dark chocolate brown, so tasty and sweet. I love my skin from my head to my feet. When I look at Grandpa's skin, you know what comes to mind? Caramel, that's it, a touch of golden brown, drizzled on top of your ice cream. Ooh-wee, this is making my tummy hungry. My best bud in the whole world, Sean, we're like cookies and cream. When we're together, our skin color doesn't mean a thing, because we know it's what's inside that matters the most. Color should never keep two people from being close. Imagine a world with one hue of colors, how boring that would be. I don't know about you, but I like variety. Like a bag of lollipops, each bringing a different splash of flavor to my mouth. If everyone was the same, wouldn't that be a shame? Skin like mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. I wouldn't trade for any other shade. I love my skin. Oh, how I love my brown skin. The end. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in buying this book, I will leave it in the description below. Thanks. Peace.